Gomez Jorens Vince F. OJT Performance Awardee, Commission on Election Awardee, Special Awardee, Research Congress 2026. Gonzalez Amy Lorene B. Sports Service Awardee. Kara Ian D. Red Cross Youth Award of Distinction.